Assalamualaikum and good evening. Hi all. Okay, I'm teacher Ilmi for Life Education. Okay, this segment is for Form 4 and also Form 5 batch KSSM. Okay, alright. For this segment, I want to talk about the present tense. Okay, do you know that the present tense it has three types of present tense? Okay, do you know? Okay, if you don't know, that means you need to know starting today. Okay, so as you can see here, I divide already three. 1, 2, 3. Okay, the first one is the simple one, which is simple present. Okay, so this is the basic one. Okay, that you already learned starting primary, okay, until secondary, and now with Form 4 and Form 5 also learn this one. Okay, and then next is present continuous. This one you also learned already. Okay, 1, 2. The basic one is simple one, and then present continuous. Next is present perfect. This one is quite okay. This one is quite a little bit harder than these two. Okay, why? Because you need to know the formation, and then at the same time you need to know the use of these three sentence. If you want to make the sentence, if you want to create simple present, that is about habitual actions, about general facts or general tools, or also instruction or direction. So this one is for present simple. Okay, and so we have instruction. We have facts. Okay, alright. Next, about this one. There's a difference between present perfect and also present continuous. The formation. Okay, so let's have a look for the use. Okay, if the use is about actions that happen, actions that happen, for example, like now, at the moment. Next is you want to say about in progress at the same time. Okay, actions that in progress. In progress. So next about present perfect. Okay, you see present tense we have 1, 2, and 3. So you already know about present simple present, that is habitual, instruction, facts. Present continuous about actions that happen. For example, like now, at the moment, and then also about actions that in the progress. Okay, for this one, if you want to talk about the actions that started in the past and still continue. Okay, so they still continue to the present and may continue in the future. So it start in the past and then it carry on. Okay, it have what we call continue. Okay, carry on and also continue into the present. Okay, to the present, and then might be continue in future tense. Okay, so this one. Okay, ready? First, later on we will see the example. Okay, for this one, actions that has happened or start. I use action that next year. Okay, alright, so now present perfect is also about past actions. Okay, past action with no specific time mentioned. There's no specific time mentioned in the sentence. For example, okay, we use next. Okay, I will show you one by one the sentence. One by one. Simple present, we have like he, okay, is, one. Next sentence. Sentence. Okay, so as you can see, there's a different formation for simple present, present continuous, and also present perfect. Okay, the formation you need to put as for this one you need to put verb to be and then plus ing, and then this one you need to put has if the subject in singular. If the subject in plural, you have to add has. Okay, this one. Has. Okay, he has lived in Cambodia since 10 years. Okay, if the subject is in singular, you need to use has. Okay, if the subject is in plural, then you may use have. Okay, another example you can say I have heard. Okay, I have heard him sing before. Okay, so that's showing the action already happened and might be continued in the present or in the future. Okay, the bus has just left the station. Okay, so the action is with no past action with no specific time. Okay, that's why it's under present perfect. Alright, so do you understand, students, so far? Okay, so that means present very important to learn, very important to know when you want to write. Okay, or when you want to do part in error correction, multiple choice. Okay, they will give you a grammar. Okay, mistake of they will take out a few. You do not have to. This one is not similar with error correction in PT3 or in Form 1 and Form 3. Okay, for your standard will be different. For your question will be different. Okay, which is they will take out the grammar, and then you need to read, and then you need to identify the tenses. Either the sentence is the tenses in past tense, either the tenses is in simple present, present continuous, or present perfect. Okay, so we have another one. It's about the bags has been placed in the locker. Okay, so why we use the bag has? Okay, the bags. So this one is plural. So you need to use have. Big. Okay, the bags big. Okay, so this one. Okay, this one is under verb to be. Verb to be. Okay, so verb to be, as you know, we have is, are, and also have. So if you find this one, this means is in the verb to be. Okay, alright. So do you clear? Do you understand? If you have any questions, okay, you may ask. I will assist you one by one. Or give you a few questions based on simple present, present continuous, and also present perfect. Okay, let's try this one. Number one. Now, okay. The question is, so, in your opinion, this sentence is simple present, or present continuous, or present perfect? Which one? This question is simple present, present continuous, present. So now, in your opinion, okay, when you look this sentence, what do you think? What the tenses is in? Either in simple present, present continuous, or present perfect? Yes, it's under this one. Why? Because there's a two over here, daily. That's mean routine or habitual. Okay, that's mean that repeat or we say that almost every day without missing. Okay, Jana, she, okay, drinks. So this is drink. So this one is action verb. So do we need to put S or we don't have to put S for Jana, singular subject? Yes, we need to put S. Okay. This one is simple present. Now we look at another question, number 2. Okay? Number 2, the next question is about turn kick a kick backing pass. Okay. Now we have she, okay, which is singular subject, and then we have the action attend a kick banking class. Now you need to remember, okay, if this one is about habit, okay, habit or routine. If this one, okay, either present continuous or present perfect. If you look the sentence carefully, there's no mention about now or at the moment. Okay, so that means this sentence is under present perfect. Okay, why? Because you want to show the action. Okay, the action is already start in the past and then continue to the present and might be continue in the future. So it becomes has. Why do we use has? This is because the subject is singular. Okay, so singular. So when the subject is singular, you need to use has. Okay, if the subject is plural, then you use have. Okay, so next, how about the next one? Remember, present perfect, okay, friend with past participle. Alright, so we need to put ed. So we put ed in the action. So we can see that this action is already started in the past and carry in the future, carry in the present, and will be continue in the future. So we have she has attends a cake question number 3, should I use Sarah? Sarah is here. How about this one? Sarah plants the plants. Okay. I forgot the action. It's supposed to be water. I'm sorry. Okay, this one. So Sarah water the plants. So which tenses, which one is on the present tense that we use? Yeah, you are right. We need to use present continuous. Okay, guys, we need to use present continuous. Why? Because we want to mention the action happening at the start of speaking. Just now I mentioned about now at the moment. Okay, so if you count, Sarah is watering. So Sarah, this one singular. So we use is watering. If the sentence is like this one, okay. Okay. So they use water. You okay. Okay. If this one on they has a pen, we want to use the plural. You know what? Next, we're going to do this one. Okay. They have attended the baking class. See? Okay, so the formation should be have. Why? Because we use the plural. Just now I use she, so that's why I use has. Set. Okay, very simple. Yes, very simple and very easy to understand. Remember, the present tense we have like three. First, simple present. Next, present continuous. Present perfect. Okay? Alright, so alright, next question. Let's do more question. Let's do more exercise. Okay? Alright, can we go to the let's me find another question that is we can do together. Mother prepare dinner since now. In your opinion, okay, based on understanding, what do you think? Should we use simple present? Should we use present continuous? Should we use present perfect? Which one? Okay. So we have to over here since and the word starts here in the past. Start in the past and then continue have clue over here. So when I mention about started in the past, continue to the present, maybe bring forward to the future. Which one do you do? Simple present or simple present continuous or the last one, present perfect? Yeah, yes, we need to use present perfect. This is because we have two over here since. So the action is started in the past, like since 6 p.m. and it continues to the present, maybe bring forward to the future. So the mother. Okay, do you understand? Alright. Okay. Next. Yes, we already have this one. We going to look at another question. One. They walks to the playground. So, in your opinion, this sentence in what tenses? Okay, so this sentence is under simple present. So you do not have to put s. Okay. Alright, sorry. Do not to put s. You don't have to put s. They they something. Okay, so how about this one? So they give all clothing to the recycle center. So which sentence this one under? Simple present continuous, present perfect. Okay, so we have to use. So this one is under the formation under present perfect. Okay, so this one is under simple present. Right? So that's all for today. So I hope you guys learned something. And if you have a question to ask, feel free to ask. Okay, and we will meet again next week, same time and also same dates. Okay, good night. Assalamualaikum.